in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any DMs problem easily and fast on Instagram app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the settings on your phone. And after you go to settings, now scroll down and go to apps manager. And on this page, all what you have to do is go to apps. Now it will take you here. So all what you have to do is wait a few seconds until it starts loading, and then it will show you this page right here. You will find the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram and click on it, as you can see right here. Now click on it, and then all what you have to do is go down to the app details, and after that it will take you directly to Play Store. So all what you have to do here now is simple. Check if there is a new update like me, and then if there is this option of update, just click on it and the problem is gonna be fixed. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.